During a vibrant street disco party, two unexpected guests arrived. A pair of parrots began mimicking dance moves, flapping in rhythm with the music. The officers, initially surprised, quickly joined in on the fun. They playfully encouraged the birds, turning the encounter into a lively spectacle. By using disco lights and rhythmic claps, they guided the parrots off stage, ensuring everyone's safety while enhancing the night's entertainment. This lighthearted interaction not only resolved potential chaos, but also highlighted the community bond and the officers' adaptability.